I'm Gareth from Redloh Horticulture. We're a vegetable growing operation based here in Hawke's Bay. We grow a lot of fresh vegetables, processed vegetables and grains as well as cereals. We do about 120 hectares annually of vegetable crops. Yep. From seeds right up to high value salads and processed cabbage and pumpkins and that type of thing as well, yeah. It's probably going back 20-25 years now since I left school. I've been involved through my studies and then with organisations in my own business, probably about 15 years ago, yeah. Drone probably for the last 3 or 4 years really, as it's become more mainstream and become available. Yeah, we've certainly been keen to try it out and see how it goes, and it's been yeah, really helpful. Yeah, no, I've been happy with it, and yeah, the main thing and one of the main drivers of why we looked down that way is certainly where we've historically might have used helicopters. You know, they're a little bit more intrusive and a lot more work in the pre-planning with neighbours and horses and things like that, whereas the drone's less intrusive and you know, we can get on with the job nice and quickly, and smaller blocks too, where we've got small paddocks. It's, you know, a lot more versatile. So. Well, certainly. I mean, I've had no dramas, and I mean it's been really easy, and being local too, it's been really helpful, and being able to get the jobs done at critical times, which has been great. So, yeah, no, very good.
Let's go.